Welcome back to AutoVerse Reviews, where we dive into the machines that stir our souls and ignite the passion of driving. Today, we have something truly legendary to talk about, the return of an American icon that has been turning heads for generations. I'm talking about the all-new 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, a car that doesn't just carry history on its shoulders, it pushes it further into the future with jaw-dropping power and cutting-edge innovation. From the very first glance, this new GT500 is unmistakably a Mustang, yet it feels sharper, more aggressive, and more futuristic than ever before. The front fascia has been completely reworked, with a bolder grille designed for maximum airflow and active aerodynamics that help this beast slice through the air. The hood bulges with purpose, housing a new power plant that will soon make enthusiasts and rivals alike take notice. Ford has given this Shelby an even more muscular stance with wider fenders, a sculpted bodyline, and a rear that's dominated by an aggressive diffuser and a quad exhaust setup that promises a symphony of pure V8 thunder. But let's not just talk about looks, because what's under the hood is what really matters here. The 2026 GT500 is powered by a re-engineered 5.2-liter supercharged V8, codenamed Predator X. It now produces an earth-shaking 820 horsepower and over 700 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful production Mustang Ford has ever built. This power plant is paired with a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission that can shift gears in the blink of an eye, delivering relentless acceleration. 0 to 60 is claimed to be just 2.9 seconds, putting it right up there with some of the most exotic supercars on the planet, yet it still carries that raw American muscle character. Of course, power is nothing without control, and Ford has made sure the GT500 isn't just a straight-line monster. The chassis has been completely upgraded with adaptive Magnerite suspension, carbon fiber components to shave weight, and a new electronic stability system designed for track precision. Brembo brakes the size of dinner plates ensure this car can stop just as quickly as it goes. And for those who live for the corners, the GT500's advanced aerodynamics, including an optional carbon wing package, delivers serious downforce for high-speed stability. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that blends performance-focused design with modern tech. Carbon fiber trim, Alcantara-wrapped steering wheels, and race-inspired bucket seats remind you this is no ordinary Mustang. At the same time, a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment display with Ford's SONC 5 system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen audio system make sure the modern driver is just as comfortable cruising as they are tearing up the track. And here's something new for 2026, Ford has introduced hybrid assist technology to improve efficiency when you're just commute.